Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody left a comment on one of my videos, and he left it on a video that's a couple of years old, and since then I've done a lot better job on putting stars around a circle with the blend tool. So if you really want to watch that, and it's so much more precise. But he asked me why I don't use the artistic media tool to do that. And the one reason I don't do it is because it doesn't always come out perfect. You don't have, let's just move this out of the way for a second. This would happen to come out perfect, but you really don't know how many circles or how many stars you're going to get. So right up here, I've drawn a little star, and you just need one. So I'm going to click on the star, and I'm going to go open my artistic media tool, and right up here, I'm going to add to spray list. So now that tool is in my spray list. And the easiest thing to do is go to Windows, Docker, Artistic Media Tool, click on your circle, and go down to where you put your new star, and voila. And now I want to show you why it didn't work perfect, because these two stars are too close apart. Now you can rotate them a little bit, but it always doesn't work. It worked that time. Sometimes the stars will be like halfway between and you really can't get rid of them. Now it is pretty neat that you can do stuff like this really quick. And well, my line had a little bit of bad note in it. Let's try that again. So you need to click on your item with your artistic media pen brush, make sure you're on spray, and then grab those stars. And the same thing, you can add or take away, kind of rotate the stars around. It's actually changing, and I've never really figured out. It says the images per dab, and I don't really understand. But anyway, I hope that answered. Well, maybe I didn't answer. He didn't ask a question. He just asked me why I didn't use it. And the why I didn't use it, because sometimes it just doesn't work out perfect. And I don't know how many stars are in there to start with. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.